As always, don't forget to check the video description down below. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to change a battery in this 2012 Volkswagen Passat. And down below in the video description, there's something new and exciting. Partnered up with my old college professor, and he's developed a very quick, clean, simple course that you can go take and learn the basics of repairing a car so you can make sure, hey, it actually is a bad battery. But check that out. It's in the description. There's a little video too. You can click on that and watch about the course or whatever. With all that said, let's go ahead and check out this battery. Okay guys, so here we are. This one is an H6. And I know when I called and asked about it, it said it could be an H6, an H5, or an H7. So just make sure you got your right battery here. Also for an H6, a group 48 is the same size. So we are going to first take our connections off, and it's like a 10mm right there, 10mm right there. So grab my little ratchet and my little 10. And then take that off. And then you just kind of wiggle, wiggle and pull, and then back here you do. It's always, oh well, that's positive. It's a good idea, just good practice. If you do the negative first, if your ratchet touches something else metal, you're not gonna pop the fuse. But anyways, this is your negative side. So now it's a little tricky because that wire like has like a red tint to it, and this is all black, but that is the negative. So now go ahead and take this off. Now our battery's disconnected, and if we look down here, we have like a little hold down bracket. Where's my finger? There we go. And I believe it's a 13. So I'm gonna grab, I got an extension and a 13. Just gonna reach down here and take my little ratchet. And hopefully you can see what's going on here. Boom. There we go. So there we go. Now you can see that bolt is up, and I'm gonna just reach down there. I'm gonna grab the bolt, and then I'm gonna grab the bracket. And then we will, actually I'm gonna just pick the battery up, and then it'll be easy to grab that bracket. So this one is nice, it's got a handle for us. So just kind of move your wire out of the way. And these are not light. And then just set them down. Reach down here. Get your little bracket. I think earlier I dropped part of my little tool in there. Reach in there. Grab that little booger. It's always nice to have a little magnet as well. Oh, there we go. There's my little battery tool for cleaning the battery. And that is it, guys. Just make sure you get the right battery. Put it back in there. You'll have this bracket. Once you set the battery in, just kind of, I like to kind of hold it like that. Just kind of stick it back in there, work it back in there, and then you can kind of work the bolt back in there as well. So tighten everything back up, and you're good to go. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.